all you DIYers, today we are working on a Jeep JKU. We're putting in a new intake and a new exhaust pipe on the back, and hey, let's get started. All right, so our 2011 JKU, we're gonna put this intake on here. We got all the parts all pulled apart, instructions and everything. We got brackets and all this good stuff to all put in here. So we're gonna start on the instructions here real quick, and we're gonna dive in and start taking some stuff apart. So, all right, we started here. We got our temperature sensor taken off the top, the intake box and everything taken out here, and breather tube taken off. And we're gonna look back at the instructions. We're gonna check out, see what else we got to put in here. All right, so we got our piece to get connected to our new tube coming across. We got a bracket for the new tube also there that mounts right on the front end of the engine here. We got 3 bolts we took out that holds on the bottom of the air box bracket. Take those out, and 1 reservoir bolt right here that comes out. New air box goes back in, and then we're going to start putting on the new intake tube coming across, and we'll get the bracket for the filter put in, and we'll show you that when we get done. Also, we did go ahead and switch out the stock sensor that was in here. Does slightly get rerouted underneath to get connected underneath, so not too big a deal. So we'll get that put together, and I'll show you when it's done. All right, so we got our tube all installed here. Brackets are all tightened down. Breather tube is on. Filter's on. Everything's tied in. We didn't put the sticker on the inside for the correct filter size. And hey, this one's all wrapped up. Now we're going to go and start working on the exhaust and put some new exhaust on. So see you back there in a little bit. All right, so now we're underneath this Jeep. We're going to get rid of this stock muffler we got here, put something a little better, get a little better airflow out of it. Got a bracket right here. We've sprayed some stuff on, got it loose. We're going to go ahead and try and break everything loose on here. We got 2 hangers, 1 on each end over here. We're going to pop this out, and we're going to give this thing a kind of a dual exhaust on here. So stay tuned. All right, after a little bit of work and everything, had that bracket loose and had to really work that thing back and forth. It was really kind of heat shrunk, sucked on that sucker. But it's off. Here's our new mounter brackets that we used for before. We're going to use them again. We'll slide the new one in, put a new clamp on here, and should be good to go. So I'll show you when we get her done. All right, we've got the new muffler and everything put back in, new tips put on here. Hey, she's ready to go. So we're going to bring her down, and we'll see how she sounds. All right. So there we go. We got an intake and a new exhaust put on this 2011 JKU, and she's going out the door. So hey, go down, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and hey, we'll see you next time.